Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the background color of a box in PowerPoint. First, click once on the box or shape you want to change. Once you've clicked it, you'll see the drawing tools appear in the ribbon at the top with the Format tab active that tells you the shape is selected and ready to edit. Next, look for the Shape Fill button. You'll find it on the Shape Format tab in the Shape Styles group. Click on that button. A color palette will drop down. You'll see two sections here, theme colors at the top and standard colors below. These are your quick color options. Just click on any color swatch in this menu, and the shape will immediately fill with that color. Now, if the exact color you want isn't in that palette, there's another option. At the bottom of the Shape Fill drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says More Fill Colors. Click on that. This opens the Colors dialog box. Here you've got two tabs to work with. The Standard tab gives you a wider range of preset colors arranged in a color wheel. If one of those works, just click it and then click OK at the bottom of the dialog box. If you need something even more specific, switch to the Custom tab. This is where you can create your own color by adjusting the sliders or entering exact color values. Once you've got the color you want, click OK. The dialog box will close and your shape will fill with that custom color. And that's the full process. The change applies immediately and saves with your presentation. Quick tip: if you need to change multiple shapes to the same color, click the first shape, then hold down Control on your keyboard while clicking the other shapes. Once they're all selected, follow the same steps with the Shape Fill button. It'll apply the color to all of them at once. Also worth knowing, if you use a custom color from the More Fill Colors dialog, that color won't update if you later change your presentation's theme. Theme colors update automatically, but custom ones stay as they are. And there we go, background color changed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.